Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video comparing two popular USB microphones, the TONOR USB microphone and the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone. Whether you're a content creator, podcaster, or just looking to enhance your audio quality, we've got you covered. So let's dive right into the comparison. Both microphones offer a hassle-free setup with their plug-and-play functionality. The TONOR USB microphone's USB 2.0 data port ensures compatibility with various devices, making it perfect for conferences, streaming, podcasting, and more. Similarly, the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone provides a convenient plug-and-play connection to your PC or laptop, so no additional drivers or hardware required for either microphone. When it comes to sound quality, both microphones excel. The TONOR USB microphone features a cardioid pickup pattern, capturing clear and crisp sound in front of the microphone while suppressing background noise. This makes it ideal for recording vocals and podcasts in a controlled environment. On the other hand, the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone offers a wide frequency response and handles high sound pressure levels with ease, making it perfect for home studio applications and communicating online. In terms of versatility, the TONOR USB microphone features a shock mount that can be unscrewed and attached to a boom stand with a 5/8 inches threaded insert directly. Please note, if your stand has a 3/8 inches threaded insert, you'll need a 3/8 inches female to 5/8 inches male threaded screw adapter, not included. Similarly, the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone comes with a sturdy broadcast suspension boom scissor arm and a detachable desktop mount. It even includes a studio-grade shock mount and a double pop filter for professional recording. Let's talk about the accessories included with these microphones. With the TONOR USB microphone, you'll receive a power cord, a foldable mic tripod, a mini shock mount, a pop filter, and a manual. For the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone, the accessory package includes a scissor arm stand, a studio-grade shock mount, a double pop filter, an 8.2 USB cable, a user manual, and friendly technical support. Both microphones offer everything you need to step up your recording game. And that concludes our comparison of these two fantastic USB microphones. Whether you choose the TONOR USB microphone or the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone, you'll get an excellent audio recording experience. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.